Okay, Jazakallah khair. I have been requested to make the announcement in English as well, so everybody is aware how to pray the Eid Salah. So first you have to make the intention for Eid Salah. Okay, with 6 extra takbirat. In first rakat, after Imam will say Allahu Akbar, there will be Salah. After Salah, Imam will do 3 more takbir, and after that Imam will do Surah Fatiha and any surah. After that, Imam will go into ruku and complete the first rakah. Imam will then stand up and he will inshallah recite Surah Fatiha. After Surah Fatiha, Imam will recite any surah. After that surah, he will do 3 more takbirat. So please do not go into ruku. After the second rakah, Imam will do 3 more takbirat. And after these 3 takbirat,